In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add presets in Lightroom. Presets can significantly enhance your editing workflow by providing you with pre-configured settings that you can instantly apply to your photos. Whether you're looking to save time or replicate a favorite editing style, getting these presets into Lightroom is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through every step. So let's dive right in. First, open up Lightroom on your computer. You'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the menu bar with various options for editing and organizing your photo library. Next, click on the Edit option from this menu. It's a straightforward step, but very important, as it gives you access to the settings where we need to make a few adjustments. Following this, you'll see a list of options. Look for Preferences and give it a click. This is where you change the settings to manage how Lightroom operates, including how it handles presets. In the Preferences dialog, you'll notice different tabs across the top. You'll want to click on the one labeled Presets. This tab focuses on all things related to presets naturally, including installation and modification. Here's where you uncover your control panel for all preset-related activities. Once you've selected the Presets tab, look for an option called Show All Other Lightroom Presets. Clicking this will prompt a new window to pop up. This is essentially your Lightroom directory where all presets and related tools are stored on your system. When this new folder appears, you'll see several subfolders. Among them, locate the folder named Lightroom. This contains all the files and subfolders relevant to Lightroom's operational features. Double-clicking on this will allow you to explore further into its contents. Within the Lightroom folder, you'll find another folder marked Develop Presets. This is where all of your existing presets live, and crucially, where your new ones will call home to. Opening this folder might reveal several additional subfolders, depending on how you've organized your presets in the past. Now, the final step is quite simple. You just need to drag and drop the new preset files you want to add into this Develop Presets folder. These files typically have a .lr template or .xmp extension. Once you've added your preset files here, restart Lightroom to ensure that the program recognizes the new additions. And there you have it. Your new presets are now available in Lightroom, ready to give your images a polished, professional look with just a few clicks. It's a simple process once you know how it's done. So go ahead and experiment with your new presets to enhance your photography. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.